What's up, everybody? Your boy, Mr. Dynamics. I've asked the one and only Mr. Too Good. I'm back again with another one. Before we go straight into it, guys, please subscribe, turn on the notification button, like my videos, and share the videos, guys. Please. Let's go straight into it, guys. So today we're checking gold, guys. So gold, we have this channel, guys. We call it an ascending channel, right? Ascending, meaning it's going up. So we have this channel, a very, very beautiful channel. And then you see how it is. So according to the rules of a channel, guys, the market must have at least uh 3 touches on the trend line before it moves, right? So let's, for example, guys, we have the first touch here, and then let's put it very nice. We have the second touch here. Let's remove this thing. It's disturbing us. We have the second touch here, and we are waiting for what? So we're waiting for a third touch here, so that we can go down and complete what? The 90% rule, guys. Something like this. This is what we are predicting or expecting of gold. Right. So let's go a little closer and see what gold has for us. Right. So gold have this for us. So the market broke this level, which we're just going to identify this area here. Right here, guys. So we expect gold to come to this zone. Sorry. We expect gold to come to this zone, right? Retest this level and then push up and make the dead touch there. Right. Because when the market broke this higher high here, and then it broke out, it didn't come back to retest it. It just went up like this. So now it's coming back to retest this level. So I want to explain something, guys. The market might not, right, come directly and reject here, you understand, and push up. So what the market might do, guys, what I've recognized about gold, the market might just drop and come to this pullback. Me, I call it a high volume area because this pullback created this huge movement to the upside, meaning buyers are strong in these areas. So if you want to buy, the market might continue to push down to this area, right? And then give us a buy because this area, it's where the bulls uh, took over. And said they were in control, meaning the power of buyers are here in this point. Do you understand, guys? So if the market doesn't respect this level, just relax and let it come here, and then you can buy the market. So what can we expect here, guys? On a daily perspective, guys. All right. If you can check this level here, this level here is like an M pattern, if you can recognize it, right? So we have the neckline here. So if you can see, the market is not, it didn't yet retest this level, right? So you must expect a push, right, to this area, and then we expect a little bit retest here, and then we go down, and then after it, we push up, guys. So why am I saying this, guys? Because as a Forex trader, you must have many ways, you understand? So the market must not catch you, you understand, unprepared. So you must be prepared so that when the market does this, you know what to do. When the market does this, you know what to do. So please pay very, very attention on this one, right? So this is what we're waiting for on a daily time frame, guys, right? Now let's move to a 4 hour time frame and see what we have there. So when we go to a 4 hour time frame, let's see what we have. All right, beautiful. So on a 4 hour time frame, guys, we also have a channel, right? We have the big channel, and now we have this channel, also an ascending channel, right? We have this channel. Yeah, let's put it here. So something like this, guys, right? So what do we have here? We have the first touch, the second touch, and we're waiting for the third touch there. You understand that? And then I want to explain something, guys, for those who don't understand channels. So here, guys, you see the market, it touched there and it went up. It came back to touch this trend line and then it pushed up. So what do you think is going to happen when the market touch again to this trend line? We expect the market, right, to push up again to complete what? This dead touch. Do you understand? Because you can clearly see here the market touch, it went up. Here first, it went up. Second, it went up. Now it's coming for the third time. So we're expecting again to what? To go up, guys. Do you understand that? So let's go a little deeper. A little deeper with this one. Here. So what do we have? We have this conjugation pattern here on gold. I'm going to identify right now, which is this level. Right. So we have this conjugation pattern here. You can call it a flag also. So the market, it went up, then created this conjugation pattern. So we have the third touch, second touch, and then we're waiting for what? For the third touch here on both trend lines. This one of the conjugation pattern and this one of the ascending channel. Meaning in this area, there's high volume. Meaning you can have high volume of the market within to actually change direction to buyers, meaning the buyers have more power on this level. Do you understand, guys? On a 4-hour, remember, on a 4-hour perspective. Do you understand? So we also have this area here that we're going to identify, which is this zone, guys. Here. Right. So let's go to H1 so that you can see it clear. Why is it so slow? So, guys, basically, it's very, very simple. Simple is just keep it simple, guys. All right. You must keep it simple and not. All right. So now we're on a 1-hour time frame, right? So, guys, here we also have this high volume area. So this pullback here, you can clearly see the market touched 1 and 2 here, meaning it's a double top. Sorry, it's a double bottom, right? So when the market come back to this area, it pushed up. Now it's coming back again to this area. So we're gonna wait for the market here, guys. Wait for the market to come to this area, at least to push, right, and touch these trend lines. After that, we wait for a continuation or a bullish candlestick, and then we enter a buy, right? Something like this. And then you can hold it up, up, or going up like this. So it's very, very close, guys. As you can see here, we're just waiting for the market to push down to this trend line. So the question is, what if the market doesn't respect that? The market pushes down like this, just wait for a retest, and then you take a sell. Simple as it is, guys. You take your sell, and then this is going to be your take profit on this level. Like we said, on a daily time frame, this is a high volume area, and then the market will push up to this, right? And then, because here, the market will then push up to that level like this. But for now, because the market has not yet broke this level, which is our support, we expect the market, right? We expect the market to just push a little bit here to touch at least one of these trend lines, right? Just to push down, touch these trend lines, and then push up like this. So this is what we are waiting for. All right. So let's go to another one. So here we have USDJPY. Right. So let's just go straight into it and see what's happening there. All right. Very, very beautiful structure. So as you can see here, guys, we have also a ascending channel, right? That we're gonna identify here. So let's just identify it very, very quickly. So we have this channel, which is going up, meaning overall of this market, it's what? It's an uptrend market, right? And then we have this. right, guys? So we have what? We have the first touch, which is this one, right? And we have the second touch, which is this one, right? And then should meaning we're waiting for the touch, come back here, right? Or even break and complete what? The 90% rule, which is this area here. Something like this, guys. Right. So now we have the direction of the market. The market is going up, and we have what? Our TP from here. We expect the market to push up until to this far. All right. That is why we use channels. Channels, they tell us, if the market comes to this side, where it's gonna go next, right? So they guide the market, or they guide you how to see how to see the direction of the market or the movement of the market, right? So let's get a little closer here. So if you can see here, guys, the market created something very, very unique and very, very beautiful here. So the market here, it made a pullback and came here, right? So this market created what? It created a double top. The first touch, sorry guys, why do I like a double top? It's a double bottom, guys. And then we have a second touch. These are double. The market touch 2 times. We call it a double bottom, guys. So when a market creates a double bottom, something like this, meaning it's the first touch, then the second touch, the market will what? Will go up, meaning it's changing trend. If it was going down and it creates a double bottom, then the market's gonna go up. If it's going up and it creates a double top, then the market's gonna go down. So here we have a double bottom, guys, meaning it indicates that the market, it is going up. It's creating an uptrend now. So look there's something that is very, very interesting here. Let's remove this. So as you can see here, we also, on this side, we also have a head and shoulder. So we have something like this, guys. The left hand shoulder, then the head, right, and we have the right hand shoulder. So when the market breaks this neckline, the market must come back to retest this level and then push up, right? So it basically is something like this, guys. So when the market breaks this level here, we wait for the market to what? To come back and retest this level and then to push up. So we have the similar thing here. So we have this level here, right? So we have this as our left hand shoulder, right hand shoulder, and we have the head here. Do you understand? And then this is our neckline here, which is this one that we're going to identify right now here. So this area is the same as this one. So when the market breaks this area and go up like this, the market must come back to what? Must come back to retest this level so that you can continue with the movement. Remember, guys, this is a daily time frame. So if you get a trade here, guys, and hold it, you're gonna be a millionaire, guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna make a lot of money. So the market is favoring us, guys. Do you understand that? So it's favoring us. So now I'm not gonna miss out this opportunity. I'm gonna just take it and hold the market. I think it's better to be a swing trader than to be a day trader or to be a scalper, guys. So now that we have this, what we're waiting for is to see if can we take an entry before we break this, right? My advice is that, guys, don't take a trade here. What are you going to take here? You understand? Because now you don't have any reason to take a trade here. The only thing that you have to wait for is to wait for the market to push up and actually break this neckline and then wait for a retest. And then now you can buy the market. Do not take a trade and don't have a reason. When we ask you, why did you take this trade? And you don't know, it's a problem. So let's go to H4 and see what H4 has for us or have for us. So on H4, we can clearly see the market is pushing very, very up. All right. So I want to explain something that might happen here, guys. All right. So the market is pushing up like this, as you can see. The market, we're gonna enter at this level, but the market already retested this level and now it's ready to push up. Because, guys, we know that we have a head and shoulder. Do you understand? And also a double top, meaning the market is no ways, the market must push up. So what happens if the market can push down? Don't panic. The market's gonna come here and create what? A double bottom again. And then you can take your trade and it's gonna break. Something like this. If the market decides to push down, just wait for the market to come back to this zone so that you can take your buy and actually break and add more trade. Do you understand that? Don't say the market now is changing direction. The market is gonna continue to go down. No, 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 it's not. So now you can clearly see the momentum of this market is huge, right? So I think the market is gonna push up now, all right, maybe to this area, and then give us a retest. And then that's where you take your trade, right? Exactly on this point here. This is where you take your trade. Very, very simple, guys. Easy. Do you see how simple it is, guys? Very, very simple. Take your trade here, you put your stop loss, and then you target, it's here. So we're gonna hold this one. So don't miss out, guys. Don't miss out this one. It's very, very beautiful. All right. So this is it for USDJPY, guys. Simple. Just keep it simple, guys. Wait for the market to break, right? Wait for the market to break, come back in the test, take your buy, and hold your trade. Let's go to another one, guys. So on this one, we are checking what? We are checking USDCAD, right? So let's check what USDCAD have for us, guys. All right. So we have this beautiful market here. All right. So we're going to identify the strong areas here first, the strong zone. So as you can see, the market is moving sideways, guys. The market is moving sideways. So it's moving in this nature. This is the first. I need to put it in the right manner, correct? So the market is basically moving sideways. So we need to identify, all right. Moving point here. Right, it makes sense. The market is just moving like this, up and down, up and down. All right. So, but something interesting is happening here. Very, very simple. We're just gonna keep it very, very simple, guys. Right. So the importance of strong areas, guys. When you talk about strong areas, it's when the market touch more than once. Do you understand? It's either it was a resistance, now turn into a support. How, guys? So in this nature, we have this level here. Okay. This level is a resistance because when the market tried to push up, it went down, meaning it rejected. We call it a resistance. Also here, it became a resistance. Also here, it became a resistance, right? Then it broke out. It's no longer a resistance now, all right? Now it turned to what? It turned to a support. The market went up, came back again, it went up. So now, because this thing happened, we call it a strong zone. Do you understand? We call it's a very, very strong area. It's a very, very strong zone. Do you understand that? So when we have a strong zone, we expect the market to be reactive on that strong zone. Do you understand that? So we have something like this. So bear with me here. The market broke in. Do you understand? It broke in, came back here, retested. It went up, came back again to this area, and then it pushed up. So since the market broke in and came back here, what do you think the market is going to do when it breaks in again? We expect the same thing to happen because it's our strong area. The market must push, it must come back and retest and then continue going up. This is what we have. And then to also get more evidence, before the market broke in, it created a double top. Sorry, guys, I don't know what I don't know what I like double tops, guys. So it created a double bottom, as you can see. It's an M pattern. So an M pattern is something like this, guys. Something like this. So when the market creates something like this, all right, the market must come back and retest this neckline and then continue with it, with the movement, something like this. So basically we have something like this. on this one because we have this, which is this one, and then push up this one. Do you understand? So we expect the market to come back and retest this level so that we can take our buy and go up. Do you get me, guys? So look, then we have another strong area or a strong zone is this one here that we're going to identify now. I want you to be careful. Right, we have this, the market, it was a resistance, came back again, rejected, which makes it what? A resistance. It broke out, came back to retest it, it pushed up and it failed to push up furthermore, and then it broke in again. But we don't see the market coming back to retest this level. Right. So meaning since the market has not, since this level has not been retested, we expect the market to push to this extent, to retest, right, this level, and then come back down to retest what? To retest the neckline, which is this one. And then after, we can take our buy. Do you understand that? So here we can take what? An opportunity of a buying. The market, we must buy it until to this point. Then from this point, we can expect the market to what? To sell, to retest this level, and then we buy it again. Do you understand, guys? Do you understand that, guys? But then if the market doesn't do that, it's very, very simple. As long as we know what? There was strong area. So when the market pushes up and it breaks here, just wait for a retest, and then you take a trade, you put it here. That's it, guys. You make money. It's a daily time frame, right? So it's something like this. But we go with that one. We're waiting for the market to come back to this area. So let's go to H4 and see what we have on H4. Let's see what we have on H4. Because we want to trade now. Sorry, we want to trade now. How can we approach this area? All right. So we have this level, this one. Yeah. It's not yet retested. So we can expect the market to give us a little push. And also we have this area. You can see this area here. All right. So what we might expect here, guys, is sorry. So what might expect the market to push back to this area. Then after it, we buy it, check our TP here. Or if the market decides to push up, just wait for a test on this area and then push up to this zone. That's it. And then you take a sell, come back to this area to retest it. Something like this. Take a sell, come back to this area to retest it. And then after that, you do what? You buy it again. Probably gonna break it until to this level. All right. As long as we know what our major areas, like I said, if the market decide to break this level in, just wait for a retest here, come back, take profit, it's your TP, and then come back to retest this level, sell it until to this level, and then push up. Do you understand? So this is it, guys, for USDCAD. Thank you so much, guys, for choosing my channel, your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX. Guys, lifetime mentorship program is very, very, very available, guys, and a very, very cheap price, guys. Remember, it's a lifetime mentorship program, guys, meaning you have access to me whenever you want to, guys. Whenever you want to ask, whenever you are struggling, have questions, you have access to me anytime. Do you understand that? It's a lifetime mentorship program, guys. So if you want to join the winning team, guys, and you want to learn the strategy, just text me, guys. My numbers are on the description. Your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX. God bless you.